Follow the suggestion in this video to get the best out of my coffees.
Let us brew coffee from Colombia together. This is Inmaculada, the Geisha signature T494 lot. The variety is Geisha and the region is Cauca. The process is a classic natural. For more details on this coffee, please visit our webshop. To extract the beautiful flavors of Inmaculada Geisha signature T494 lot, please prepare 200 grams of third wave water. Set the kettle to 94 degrees Celsius and weigh 14 grams of coffee. Grind on click 20 of your Comandante for a balanced cup. To avoid any unwanted flavors, rinse the paper with hot brewing water. This also warms your V60. Now add the ground coffee and shake for an even extraction. Get ready for the 3 circular pours. Pour 1, 30 grams over 5 seconds, blooming. Release the trapped CO2 from the roast process. Second pour starting at 20 seconds, 70 grams over 10 seconds, soft circular pouring, starting to release the flavors of Inmaculada Geisha. The third pour after 50 seconds, 100 grams over 20 seconds in circular pouring, supporting the body of this coffee. Swirl at 1 minute and 20 seconds for an even extraction. The total brew time of this geisha from Colombia is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Enjoy the flavors of floral jasmine, chamomile, blueberry, fig, honey and cherry in your cups.